special guest, Weenie, Daddy, and we're gonna try ramen from all over the world. Okay. Let's go pick up. And we got them from the Asian store, like where we went there. And then yesterday.
Yeah, we love ramen noodles. We love eating them every day. So we see these in the restaurant or in the stores all the time, and we wonder what they taste like. So we like to try them from around the world. We have some that are our favorite. Which ones are our favorite, guys?
And me and Mama.
Which ones? The Thailand ones, the Mamas, right?
Indonesian and Thailand.
And the Indonesian ones. It's not expired. Okay. Thanks. So, anyway, so we're gonna try these new ones and see what they taste like. Just we see them in the store and just wonder what they taste like. We got, what countries do we got, guys?
Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia.
So we got Indonesian ones.
Hong Kong.
We got Philippines.
Chinese.
Yeah, we got the Chinese ones. Okay, so Philippines, we got Korea, we got Hong Kong, we got Japan. What else, guys? More Philippines, Vietnamese. This one that you guys can stick it off of. And that's it. And Kung Fu ones, the Kung Fu chicken. So that's what we got. And we're gonna try them all. We're gonna put them all together and see which ones are the best. See which ones we like the best.
I bet the mushroom one is cooking in the stuff, and now put in most of them are soup, and we're gonna put in Evie's.
Yep, we're gonna start with this one, the satay onion flavor from Vietnam, the Hao Hao's, and we got 2 packets of this one, don't we, guys?
Yep.
The one's orange sauce, the orange secret sauce. Put it in. All of it in. All of it in.
Squeeze it out.
Squeeze it in.
And yeah.
There you go. Now, Cook Happiness flavor pack. Oh, you want to...
I'm having last time.
Okay, Evie, you're first.
I'm last.
Tell us how it tastes. With her newly acquired chopstick skills. Is it good?
What does it taste like?
Tell us. What's it taste like?
I'm gonna try it.
Where's my chopsticks? Where's my chopsticks?
Tastes like
You've got my chopsticks.
Mama.
Let me see.
What if
You
it's
just
like
gotta taste it. Don't eat
spicy?
it all. Just kidding. You can eat it all. Is it spicy?
No, it's so yummy. This is really good. Cute, because it's just, there's no flavor in it. See?
That tastes like American ramen noodles. There's a little bit of spice to it.
Oh,
Tiny bit. I like it. Ah.
I'm kind of tastes like Mama.
The Kung Fu chicken. Where's this from?
Tasting this
It's got Vietnamese on it. Maybe China. We don't know.
I'm tasting.
Taiwan. This is Taiwanese. So Kung Fu. How is it?
Ah.
I think it's going to be kind of sour.
Two flavors.
Okay, this one. What do we got? This is the Filipino bulalo. It is artificial beef and bone marrow flavor. So yeah, this is from the Philippines, and QC's gonna try it. 2 packs. This is gonna explode all over your face. Okay, go. You want the scissors? How is it?
Good.
Not bad.
Hey!
Kind of a soury beef flavor. And Wiggles, let's see how Wiggles likes it.
Is it good?
Pretty good. I like the soup. It's kind of like Okay, last one. Is this yours? This is Big O's. So this is the Lucky Me artificial chicken flavor with ginger. So this is from Philippines too, I think. Yep, Philippines. So you ready to put it in there? You put it in? Yeah. Let's go like that. Okay, dump her in. There you go. Mix it up. Whew. You can smell the ginger. No. Yeah. That's not very good. Here, you gotta try some.
And today I haven't tried
I think I'll have some water. Try the soup, buddy.
It's a little spicy. I'm not trying it now.
You gotta try it. Come on.
It sounds horrible.
You have to
Here,
try.
You gotta try a little bit.
Ew. Ew, who likes that? Ew.
Yeah. Evie, you want to try some?
That's a lucky me. Ew. That's
Lucky
gross.
me. You're not lucky if you get this one though. Okay. What do you think? Give it a try.
Let's see, Evie.
Right.
Round two. Now we're gonna do round two. Okay, so I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna do this one. And Kyo, what are you doing?
I'm doing this one because it's already done. Okay, go ahead, Dust. You get it started. What do you got? The kimchi noodle soup flavor with real kimchi. You guys know what kimchi is?
No.
You know where it's from?
No.
Where's this one from? Where's it from?
Let me guess.
You know where it's from?
Japan.
Wrong.
China?
Wrong.
India? Tawaya?
No. India.
Tawaya?
This is from Korea.
I knew it was Korea. I knew it.
So you'll find out what kimchi is here shortly.
Hey-ho!
Might be a little spicy. I'll get this one pepper.
That's good. What? Ew.
Try
The
it.
soup is horrible.
Try it.
I'm taking one noodle.
Oh, boo.
Ew.
You try.
No.
Come on, you guys gotta try it.
Everyone has to
Big
try.
bite, big bite.
This
Just eat it. They're really yummy.
ramen yum. It's kind of like a kind of sour. Wait, what is this? This one? Horrible.
That's kimchi.
That is.
Okay, next one. This one's mine.
Next.
We got the pho soup. Who wants to try this one?
ตัวนี้เปล่า
Yep. This one's from Vietnam.
This one's still
The pho.
That one's out of here. I'm having one noodle.
What the?
It didn't follow mine. I can't still hot.
โอ้ย
Good.
You're asking me if it's good or is it good?
Nonsense.
Good? What do you guys think? Try the soup.
That's my spoon.
That's hot.
That's awesome.
Is it awesome, Evie?
awesome,
Thumbs
Evie?
up for Evie?
Good.
Good? Cute? Good? Is it good?
I want soup.
Yeah, you'd say so. All right, next one. This one's yours, Evie. The bihon guisado. Okay. Getting better with those chopsticks.
Daddy's gonna be in
Thank you.
บูเป็นไง
It's like teeth.
Tastes like what?
Have you ever tried teeth?
Bland. It's like no flavor.
Yeah, there's no flavor to
Wonder if
it.
that's what it means, the noodle flavor. Instant rice. Ooh, that smells. What flavor is this? We forgot to say what flavor it is. This is 5 Spices Artificial Beef from Japan. Or is it? Yes.
Sounds spicy.
Or this is the one that is Hong Kong. Sorry, Hong Kong. Ooh, don't put scissors.
I don't eat that. Is it good, Daddy?
Not bad.
Not bad. Owen,
You wanna try some, bud?
it has a very strong flavor.
Owen's getting the next one ready.
No.
So Winston is.
Salty?
Right, missing Hong Kong. Okay, who's gonna eat it? Is it good? Then we'll just save this one for ourselves.
Yeah, it's good.
Good. Anybody else wanna try it?
I will. If you guys. So we were too full to have the other one, so we're gonna do that one for part 2, and what is everyone's favorite ramen? I like this one. These two.
Ow.
These two.
I like this one.
These two.
Anybody like this one?
Me.
Pho. That one was pretty good. The Vietnamese one. This one was my favorite. The
I
hao
like
hao.
the hao hao.
Sauteed onion. Anybody like the kimchi?
No.
You did? You did not. Okay. Which one did you like, Owen? Which one did you like?
Nobody
That
likes.
one, yeah.
Nobody likes this.
No, that one's pretty bad too. The
Yeah.
Lucky Me, or ginger. Okay. Anything else, guys? And here comes Wiggles. Which one did you like, Wiggles? Which one?
Which one?
White. The white
The
one.
white.
Which one? That one? Oh, he liked that one too. And the bulao.
So we learned Thai words. It's a few Thai words. Kin mama, that means eat mama. Not you, but eat the food one, and aloy, and may aloy. Aloy is yummy. May aloy is not yummy. And then
Sap.
sap. That's yummy.
Sap sap.
Sap sap.
What in the world? Okay. So, thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys. Thumbs up and subscribe. Bye. Bye. Sawadee ka. And also thumbs down. Bye.